My name is Averal and my main project is the map bag. Here I've reached a software milestone and I'm going to demonstrate it with these drawings. So, this is my location. I haven't turned my map bag on. I'm trying to get to this destination here, but I have absolutely no idea where I'm going. If 0 degrees or 360 degrees is north, then the place that I'm going towards is 330 degrees. And that's somewhere between north and west, about northwest. That's totally wrong. The angle from my location to the destination is 45 degrees. So I want to find some way to indicate to myself that I want to turn 75 degrees to the right. So here I have a drawing with my heading as 0 degrees and angle to destination as 75 degrees. Because if you add from 330 to 360, that's 30, and then 30 plus 45 is 75 degrees. If you look at the vibration motors that are positioned around my back, I have north, south, east, west, cardinal directions, and I have a vibration motor corresponding to each one. 75 degrees is in the realm of east, so the vibration motor on the right side of my back, which would be east, would vibrate, and that would tell me to turn to the right. So yeah. So I used, for my map bag code, I used the Adafruit GPS Ultimate Breakout, which is a really good GPS breakout if you want to use GPS in your project. I'd really recommend it. The library is really comprehensive and you can use it for a variety of uses. So if I go to the top here, you'll see that I included the Adafruit GPS library, and I also included the software serial library here. These two are really important because the Adafruit GPS is, of course, the GPS functions, and the software serial helps you connect your GPS to the Arduino that you're using. So if you go all the way back down, so here I have my latitude, which is just the GPS latitude that I've taken from the NMEA, which is the standard format, to decimal degrees, which is much easier to work with. And then my longitude is the same thing except with longitude. And here I have two variables, go lat and go long. Very funny. These are just designated destinations. I have 10 destinations that are pre-programmed into the code, and you can choose them using some buttons. I'll show that in my final video. Right here, I've just basically created the angle to the destination using all these functions. It's pretty complicated, but you can just basically go get it from Googling how to get an angle between two GPS locations. It's not that hard. And my angle is just the angle that I'm headed towards. It's my heading. So if you go lower here, you'll see I have a bunch of if statements nested within each other, and it looks kind of intimidating. But really what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the bigger of the angles, and if the bigger of the angles is greater than 180 degrees, we want to invert it because that's too much. And then we just, we do that for my angle too, if my angle is greater than go angle. And we add them together at the end, and that'll form a float let's go. And let's go is just basically the degrees that you want to turn. And so here a bunch more if statements, and basically if the heading you want to go is in any one of these segments, well then it'll pulse with the direction corresponding to that. That's basically it. Thanks.